Hey guys, so today I'm going to review the Telescopic False Lash Mascara by L'Oreal. I've used the normal version of the Telescopic Mascara before, but I've seen a lot of good reviews about this, so I want to see how it works for my lashes. So this is how the wand looks. It's brand new. I just got it in from Amazon, and we're gonna try it out. So I have nothing on my lashes right now. I'm just gonna do one coat and see how it works for me. So I would say that's one coat, and I really like how it's looking. So I'm gonna do another coat and see how my lashes react. I don't know about you, but that's a huge difference in my lashes. Like, the difference is insane. I'm gonna do one last coat, which I think it's enough. Look at that difference. I'm gonna do my other eye as well, but look at the difference. This mascara gets the job done. If you're looking for like a lengthening mascara, this is it. So I'm gonna do my other eye. I don't know about you, but this result is amazing. Like, the before and after is insane. And considering the price, it's truly an amazing mascara. You should guys try out if you're looking for like a lengthening mascara. I would give this a 10 out of 10. Like, only with one coat, my lashes already look like super long. So definitely check this out. I have no words, I'm speechless. 10 out of 10 would recommend.